Wow. Good energy. Hi guys, we are here at the One Roastery and we are cupping Cascara in different ways. We have 3 cold infusions for many hours. We will reveal later how many hours. And then we have hot infusion over here, okay? So we want to compare which is better and then we want to find the perfect recipe to share with you. Okay, thank you. So guys, I'm here with Jonas and he wants to explain what is Cascara.
As we all know, the coffee is fruit, so it produces skin as every other fruit, and we can use those for infusions.
Cool, let's have a look at the Cascara over here. It's dried. This is from my friend Ricardo Celayo, okay? It's from Antigua,
Santa Clara.
Santa Clara at
Guatemala, and the farm lies at 100 meters above sea level.
That's very good elevation in Guatemala, and here we see the hot infusion, okay? So you can see like when the cherries are opening up. These are extremely clean. This is a Geisha coffee cherry, very rare, high quality. We all know Geisha is very expensive. And this one is we find the best taste. So now we want to find out what's the best cold infusion and hot infusion for you. Thank you. So different. So different, but everything is good.
Yeah.
I will just be simple. Here we have a lighter brew. Here we have something more intense. And here actually we have almost the same dose, but this is slightly longer brewed. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow! Yeah. No plums?
No.
Plums. It's plums, no?
It was very balanced for me. The sweetness was high, while the acidity was not overwhelming. I tasted even some Earl Grey, as I said before,
yes.
a little bit, yeah. And very nice syrupy texture,
okay.
With honey-like sweetness.
Okay.
Very good cup.
Cool.
So, here we have hot infusions, again of the same unbelievable Cascara from Guatemala. And the only difference here, it's actually the ratios and a slightly change in the brewing times. 1, 2, 3, go!
Aha! 50-50.
Okay.
Cool.
I saw here.
Alright, interesting.
For me, I truly love this one. It has the longest aftertaste compared to the other 2. That's why. It's again more intense and it has a soft but dry finish reminiscent of tropical flavors, which I love.
Yeah. You like more citric, right? You like lemon?
Yeah.
And it's super light now. It's more elegant, maybe. Yeah. Very good.